Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our Smart Band, and you can do it by tapping on it. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel, and then you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll all the way down and tap on About Band. And here you can scroll down, find the option called Serial NO, this is the serial number, and here we have it listed. And once you're done checking the serial number, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.